Easy way of GST implementation software. Product entry, sales invoice, RCM, GST reports.
Product entry, product-wise HSN code, product-wise GST %, HSN code change, and tax change.
We provides product-wise HSN code and product-wise GST % while entering new product.
Select your product which you want to change HSN code. You may select your product by placing filter or by searching it. Now select your HSN code. Tax change. First select your product which you wants to change tax %, then select tax % and check it by clicking on Show button, then click on Save button.
Sales invoice.
Filter in product selection, auto select product wise GST %, auto convert all GST in SGST and CGST or IGST, auto generate JSON file while making out of district invoice, and HSN wise sales without product detail.
When we make sales invoice of us state, software will automatically convert all GST in SGST and CGST. And software automatically select IGST while making invoice of other state. Software automatically generate JSON file while making sale invoice of other city, greater than the value of 50,000.
Sales invoice without detail.
GST reports in Excel format.
GST mismatch entry, GSTR3B, GSTR1, GSTR2A, and GST e-way bill JSON file. GSTR2A reconciliation. Now select your portal monthly Excel file and upload it here. This is your portal Excel file from which we reconcile our data. Click on Save button for save this.